Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn modals and popovers in ServiceNow UI Builder. We will understand what they are, when to use them, how to configure them, and I will also show live examples so that you can easily build them in your own workspace experiences. Let's get started. What are modals? A modal is a pop-up window that appears on top of your page content. It captures the user's attention and requires them to take actions before returning to the main screen. Where modals are used: to show forms, to confirm actions, to show details, for custom messages or warnings. Let's create a simple modal that opens when the user clicks a button. In UI Builder, open your experience page and add a button component. Search for button component, select and click on add. Now in experience page on the left, under overlays, there are modals. Click to add new one. Select an existing modal or create a new modal template. Here we can see different types of modals. Here I am going to select an alert to give for button component. Then an alert will appear. Then in right side configuration panel, edit the content to display an alert. I am giving as this is an alert. After that, go to the button properties and go to events. Click on add handler. Search for select open or close modal dialog and click on continue. Next, select the modal which we were created before. After selecting it, click on add. Now, for button component, the modal is added. Let's save and click on preview to check whether it is working or not. When we click this button, we are opening a modal that displays an alert. The modal has a close button so that user can close it after reading. Now, another topic. What are popovers? A popover is a small floating message box that appears when the user clicks or hovers on a component. It does not block the screen like a modal. When popovers are used: to show small explanations, to display tooltips, to display short descriptions for extra details without taking the user to a new page. In UI Builder page, in the left panel, in content section, click on add content. Choose any layout you want. Select a button component onto the page. Search for button, select and add to the page. Now, in the left panel, in content section, you will see popovers. Create a new popover by clicking on plus icon. Select custom popover and add any component to display the information you want to show. Here I am selecting heading and I am adding a label like. Now come back to the button that we created previously. Go to events, click on add a handler and search for popovers. Here, select open popover and continue. So it gives you two options. Either you create a new popover or you can select from existing popovers. So previously I have already created a popover. I'm selecting custom popover one and click on add. Save. Click on preview to check whether it is working or not. Yes. When I click on the button, you can see here it is displaying the text that I have given in the popover. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you are finding this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.